Before I jump into today's video, guys, I've got an EP coming out as well in 3 days' time on Too Much Collective. I'll leave a link in the description showing you the demo of this. If you want to support me and the content, buy the EP. Big up the Too Much Collective guys. They're all legends. On with the video. Hey guys, how's it going? OSCO here, back with another video. Today we've hit 500 subscribers on the YouTube channel. You know, crazy milestone for only been doing this for like 2 weeks. I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys that the new giveaway. So for reaching 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away this sample pack here, Dubtronic WAV pack. So this is a dub sample pack that uses bass heavy sounds over like psychedelic backdrops with cool unique effects that I haven't heard from other sample packs. From listening to the demo track, which I'll leave in the description below so you guys can go check it out, it's got some really cool unique sounds in there. For the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away two copies of this. So there will be a giveaway on the YouTube channel, so what you've got to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of why you want the pack. And then also on Patreon, I'm going to be giving away another copy of that to the Patreon guys. So if you're subscribed on the Patreon, you have a higher chance of winning. I just want to give a shout out to the Patreon guys whilst we're on the topic. So shout out to Austin, Dakota, Daniel, David, Jax, Josh, the other Josh, Justin, Nathan, Sam, Thomas, and Tyler. You guys are legends. I would not be doing this at the rate that I'm doing it without you guys. You're constantly in contact with me, and joining the live streams. It seems like you're getting a lot of value out of what I'm doing, and it really means a lot. Like, I've always liked helping out my friends with their productions and answering questions and talking about plugins and, just giving anyone a bit of useful advice that I think I might know. And like, since starting this channel, it's really boosted my confidence as a producer, or just talking to a camera and just being a bit more open. And it's seeing that it's helping so many people. And I've really locked into like a niche where there wasn't a lot of content on this topic, and it's just it's been really good to see the reaction from it. So there's not going to be a tutorial video today, but tomorrow there will be a bass tutorial. I'm going to be trying to do another track breakdown, so hopefully you guys will tune in for that one. And the Patreon guys, you're going to get a video later today as well. So I just wanted to cover something before I leave this video, if you guys are still watching. Basically, throughout the whole coronavirus period, I'm going to be uploading every single day, and I'm going to be doing live streams every other day, and the Patreon guys are going to get loads of videos as well. I just want to say thanks to everyone who's coming along for this ride, because it's not stopping here, and I want to see how far I can take this. So yeah, tell your friends about it, about the channel if they're interested in this sort of music, and there'll be more content to come every single day. And if you like what I'm doing, subscribe, hit the like button. It means a lot, helps me out a bunch. And leave a comment for future video suggestions below, because I'm sort of running out. So yeah.